Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of the Academic Issuer. The Academic Issuer is a web service created by the Technical University of Berlin for the Trace4U research project. And the Academic Issuer is meant for academic institutions that want to issue digital academic credentials to their students. And these digital academic credentials are, for instance, diplomas or language certificates. This Academic Issuer service allows academic institutions to issue these academic credentials in the form of verifiable credentials that are compliant with the standards set by the W3C. So let's dive into the demonstration by starting the workflow for an academic institution that opens up the Academic Issuer app, as you can see here on the left screen side. And the academic institution selects the credential type it wants to issue. Let's issue a diploma for a master in computer science with a grade of 4.0. Here, we have some extra credential issuance configurations that the academic institution can do. For instance, we can enter a PIN like 333, which requires the receiving student of the credential to enter that PIN so that the issuance is done successfully. Also, the academic institution can make a record of the credential issuance on the Ethereum blockchain through the European Blockchain Services infrastructure using the timestamp API, but that option we do not want for this demonstration. So we just keep the configuration as it is, and we hit submit, leading to this QR code. And this QR code is now given to the student. And once the student scans this QR code with any EPSI compliant wallet, like the ID wallet LSP that you can see installed on my smartphone, whose screen you can see on the right-hand side of the video. So if I now open the wallet, I am able to scan the QR code like so. I now need to follow the OpenID for verifiable credential issuance protocol with the configuration of a PIN being set. So the PIN the academic institution set was 3333. We enter that, we continue, and everything was shared successfully, everything worked out. We can now see the credential that we get as a student for a master in computer science and GPA of 4.0. Everything's correct. We can see that is the issuing party, so that's the academic institution that is identified with a decentralized identifier based on the DID method of EPSI. And we are fine with that, we accept it, meaning that we now have the VC in our wallet and can use that for any other purposes like applying to jobs.